Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to transfer money from YONO SBI to mobile number. This is easy. The first step we need to do is open our YONO app, and then once we have our app open, we need to log in using our MPIN. Okay, right here you can see all this option in this menu. You need to click this option called Pay, and then you're going to click this option called Quick Transfer, and then you're going to select this option right here called Mobile Number Beneficiary. You're going to click right here, and then you're going to do the transfer to a mobile number. It's really easy. I hope this video was helpful. Please comment and subscribe.